Hi CMH friends, I am Ramona Williams here at Children's Museum Houston. Thank you for joining me today. I can't wait to tell you about this fun activity, and the setup is so easy and simple. It takes coordination, a little bit of focus, and did I tell you that it is going to be so much fun physical activity? Your little one might want to take a nap after it's done. So the supplies that you'll need for this activity: duct tape, a plate, and I know it's summertime, so we're probably having a lot of fun at barbecues. You might have an extra plate, some extra paper plates laying around, so use one of those. A marker if you decide to take the activity to the next level by having your toddler or your little one actually design their plate. A balloon and some chopsticks. I'm using 2 because I feel like it makes it a little sturdier, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is take our supplies off of our plate, and we're going to turn our plate over, okay? We are almost done, if you believe it or not. So I'm gonna take my duct tape and tear off a piece. I like to have my first piece go the long way on my chopsticks. So here are my chopsticks that I'm putting together. I'm putting it a little bit lower than half the way on the plate from the middle, and I'm simply gonna press my tape down, okay? Just like that. Now, so that this activity goes on for a while, I'm gonna take a few more pieces of tape so I can go across the piece of duct tape just for some extra security. And if your little one really gets into the activity, which I'm sure they will. And one more last piece just to secure it down. It doesn't have to look beautiful, just needs to be functional, okay? And look what we have here. We have a paddle. So the next thing you're going to do is take your balloon and blow it up. And I actually already have a balloon that's blown up right here. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna have a friend join me in having fun with this volley balloon activity. Okay friends, that is all the time I have for today, but I want to thank Riley and Aubrey for joining me. We had so much fun. So don't forget, get you a plate, balloon, and some chopsticks, and get out there, get physical, focus, and have fun. I'm Ramona Williams here at Children's Museum Houston. I hope to see you soon. Bye.